Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play ground realistic battles in War Thunder. Ground realistic battles offer an immersive experience where strategic thinking and teamwork are paramount. Your primary goal is to capture control points and eliminate enemy vehicles, contributing to your team's victory. Understanding the core mechanics and objectives is the first step towards becoming a formidable player. We will cover everything from vehicle selection to advanced combat tactics, ensuring you are well prepared for the battlefield. Building an effective lineup is essential for consistent performance. Aim for a balanced mix, perhaps 2 or 3 main battle tanks, 1 anti-aircraft vehicle, and 1 or 2 aircraft for air support or ground attack. Ensure all vehicles share a similar battle rating to avoid being outmatched. For instance, a lineup with vehicles ranging from 3.7 to 4.3 battle rating provides good synergy. This strategic selection allows you to adapt to various combat situations and support your team effectively. Once in battle, effective combat tactics are key to survival and victory. Always be aware of your surroundings and the minimap to anticipate enemy movements. Positioning is everything. Find hull-down spots or flanking routes to surprise opponents. When engaging, aim for weak spots on enemy vehicles, like the driver's port or turret cheeks, to maximize your damage output. Remember to use hard cover, like buildings or rocks, and soft cover, such as bushes, to conceal your position and protect your vehicle. Mastering objectives is crucial for winning ground-realistic battles. Focus on capturing and defending control points, as these are the primary means of depleting the enemy's ticket count. Don't hesitate to call in air support when available. A well-placed bomb or rocket run can clear a contested area or eliminate a stubborn tank. Effective communication with your teammates, using the in-game chat or quick commands, allows for coordinated attacks and defenses, significantly increasing your chances of success. Work together to achieve victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.